Hi guys, welcome to class. My name is Kalia. Today I'm gonna guide you through a 15-minute morning flow. So let's get started by standing at the top of our mat. Bring your feet with hip distance apart and shoulders relaxed and arms down by your side. And right away, keep your eyes closed. And let's take a moment to scan our body from top to bottom, and our breath and our mind. And just see as they are without any judgment. And slowly open your eyes. As you inhale, roll your shoulders up and exhale back and down. Inhale, shoulders up, and exhale, shoulders back and down. Inhale up, and then exhale back and down, feeling that your shoulder movements. Inhale up, and exhale back and down. Nice. On your next inhalation, reach your arms up. Exhale, bend your elbows and grab the elbows with your opposite hands. Inhale, lengthen through the spine. Exhale, lean to your right side. Inhale, come back up. And exhale, lean to your left side, feeling that nice stretch in your right side of your body. Inhale, come back up. And exhale, lean to your right side. Inhale, come back up. And exhale, lean to the opposite side. And inhale, come all the way up. And exhale, empty everything out. And inhale, reach your arms up. And as you exhale, hinge forward to a standing forward bend. Drop your head all the way down, hang heavy. Inhale, come to your flat back, fingertips on your mat. And then slowly start bending your knees one and the other, feeling that stretch in your hamstrings, waking up all those muscles, tissues, cells. They've been sleeping through the night. Time to wake up and keep looking down on your mat, and you'll have a long neck, no strain. And inhale, come to your flat back. Exhale, fold deeper over your thighs and your legs. And we're gonna do this 2 more times. So inhale, come to your flat back. You can place your hands either on your mat or on your shins. And as you exhale, fold deeper over your thighs. Bow yourself in. And big breath in, come to your own flat back. Nice long spine. And as you exhale, step back to our first downward facing dog. Stay in this downward facing dog, finding stillness and calmness. And breathe deeply and completely. On your next inhale, reach your right leg up and start finding some circles with your right ankle to your left side, and then change the direction and come back to center. And gently bring your right foot forward between your hands, and then your left foot spins out flat at a 45-degree angle. Root your right foot down to rise up to warrior one. So reach your arms all the way up toward the sky. And stay here for a couple of breaths. Inhale, lengthen the spine. And as you exhale, shoulders relaxed, and sink your hips down to the earth. And your right thigh is super engaged. And your back foot super glued to your mat. And gently place your hands on top of your hips. And straighten out your right knee. And inhale, lengthen through the spine. And as you exhale, we're gonna hinge forward from our hips. Once you start seeing the floor, place your fingertips under your shoulders. You can stay here feeling that nice stretch in your right hamstring. But if you wanna go a little deeper into this stretch, fold deeper over your right leg. So your belly is so close to your right thigh and your forehead is so close to your right shin bone. And stay here, breathing space in your right hamstring. So good and so yummy. Enjoy that feeling, sensation. And bend your right knee, step back to downward facing dog. Nice. We're gonna do the same thing on the other side. So inhale, left leg all the way up. And start rolling that ankle in one direction and then the other direction. And come back to center. Gently step your left foot forward between your hands and your right foot spins out flat at a 45-degree angle. And root your left foot down to rise up to warrior one. Reach your arms all the way up, shoulders relaxed and hips down to the earth. Draw your left hip back and right hip forward to scare off the hips. And stay here feeling that peaceful, brave warrior you are. And slowly place your hands on your hips and straighten out your left knee. And inhale, lengthen through the spine. And we're gonna hinge forward as we exhale. And once you start seeing the floor, place your fingertips under your shoulders. You can simply stay here, or if you want to go a little deeper today, and gently fold deeper over your left leg. And breathe the space in your left hamstring. And keep dropping any ideas of trying. Just always come back to this present moment, finding your breath again. Gently bend your left knee and step your left foot back to downward facing dog. Beautiful job, Yogi. And on your next inhalation, shift your body forward to high plank and keep your feet together. And slowly roll onto the knife edge of your right foot to side plank. Stack your 2 feet on top of each other. If this is a little too much for you, you can place your left foot forward in front of your right. And reach your left arm all the way up and keep squeezing your glutes and thighs and keep lifting up your left hip. And breathe. And slowly place your left palm all the way down to the floor. And then second side. So roll onto the knife edge of your left foot. Stack your 2 feet and find your option. And right arm up and find your beautiful breath again, your anchor point. Gently place your right palm down to high plank. Inhale, shift forward. Exhale, lower all the way down. Untuck your toes and your forehead is touching the earth. And place your fingertips on the edge of your mat. And stay here for one breath. And on your next inhalation, start lifting your chest up off your mat. And as you exhale, come down from your belly, chest, and forehead. And inhale, come up and gaze over your left shoulder. And then exhale, come back down. And inhale, press yourself up and look over your right shoulder. And exhale, come back down. One last time. Inhale, come all the way up. As you exhale, shoulders relaxed and soften your face and your mind. And gently lower all the way down, your forehead all the way down. And now, interlace your fingers behind your back. And then start lifting your feet, one and the other off the mat. And keep squeezing your thighs, glutes, and keep pointing your toes to the back of your mat. And once you're ready, start lifting your chest off the mat. And keep squeezing your thighs, glutes, and draw your shoulder blades together to create more space in your front body, your chest, opening your heart. And make sure you are not straining your neck. So look down on your mat and slightly forward. And now, gracefully release those hands and bring your palms next to your shoulders and facing down, and breathe. And then we're gonna lower everything down to the earth for 3, 2, 1. Your forehead is on the earth, your palms, your legs, and your feet. And place your hands by your side and press yourself up and glide your hips back to child's pose, Balasana. And let everything heavy here to the ground, feeling that gravity is working for you and supporting you. And release any tension in your face and shoulders and hips. And gently roll yourself up to a seated pose. Your knees together, your right fingertips on your mat. As you inhale, lift your left arm all the way up. Exhale, lean to your right side. And inhale, come back to center. And exhale, left hand back to the earth. Inhale, right arm up. And exhale, lean to your left side. Inhale up, exhale down. And inhale, left arm up. And as you exhale, lean to your right side. Inhale, come up. And then exhale, hands back. Inhale, up. And exhale, lean to your left side. Inhale, back up. And exhale, hand down. On your next inhale, reach your arms all the way up. Interlace your fingers and flip your palms toward the sky. As you exhale, drop your chin closer to your chest and keep pressing your palms forward. And then start rocking your torso from side to side several times, creating lots of space in your back body here. And gently release those hands onto your thighs. And take a moment to reconnect with your beautiful breath. That breath nourishes you, heals you, empowers you. And allow your whole body to enjoy every breath you take. And now, cross your right arm over your front body and bend your left elbow. Bring your right arm inside that elbow crease. And take a deep breath in as you're lengthening through the crown of your head. And as you exhale, relax your right shoulder down to the earth. At the same time, pull your right arm closer to your chest with your left arm. And release those arms down, second side. So bend in your right elbow and bring your left arm inside that elbow crease. And inhale, lengthen, grow taller. Exhale, relax the shoulders and pull your left arm closer to your chest. And release those arms down. And then start shaking out your two hands as fast as you can and as playful as you can. And then interlace your fingers and making some infinity shapes. And shake out those hands again. Nice. Great job. Alright. And place your hands on top of your thighs now. And let your eyes close. And take a moment to scan your body and your breath and your mind. See as they are and give them your love they deserve. Hands at your heart center. And slowly we begin to bow together. Namaste. Thanks for watching, and I hope to see you soon again in my next video.